Hey guys, hey, and welcome to my channel, Explicit Wellness. Yes, hey, I hope you all are doing good today and feeling well. And yes, it's another day. Yes, and am excited to be included in it because a lot of people did not make it this morning. Yes, to enjoy this glorious day that God has blessed us with. Yes, so. This is a hack, you all. I have another hack. If you have a stand-up fan or whatever, and you know we love to clean, and when we see dust particles on our fan, we have to what we got to do? Unscrew. We got to unscrew this fan. Take it off, clean it, put it in the sink, clean it, or take it outside and put the water hose over it. Okay, guys. Okay. Now, instead of us taking this outside or washing it in our house, it's going to be easy pleasy. We're just going to get some detergent here. We're going to get some detergent. And what I put in here is, this is not green mean now. It mean green. Okay? I put Dawn dish detergent, vinegar, white vinegar. I put the let me show you all this. I put this in there, the Pinalen Pinsol in there, which works very good, okay? That's what I put in there. Okay, that's what I put in there. And I also put what I said. That solution, the vinegar, Dawn detergent, and baking soda, okay? So I'm going to just spray this fan now. All you gotta do is just keep spraying it, spraying it, spraying it, okay? Just spray it. In the cage too, because the cage is going to get clean too. But make sure you get those blades. Get those blades good and going. Get those blades good and going. Okay? Okay, as you all can see. Now we're going to turn it around because I showed you all earlier how they look. Okay, how it looks. Make sure you just don't get the the motor of the fan. Don't spray too much. It's go around it, okay? But make sure you get those blades in the cage. And the outside is going to be looking good too, okay? It's going to be looking good, great. You can spray how much of this you want on there, okay? Because y'all saying, what is she going to be doing next? What is this? What kind of hack is this, okay? Make sure y'all spray those blades because you know it's dust, oil going all throughout your house, okay? It's going all throughout your house. I lost footage earlier, so I'm coming back to y'all, showing you all. This is what I did. I sprayed it down, sprayed it down, sprayed it down. Just keep spraying it, spraying it, spraying it. Make sure you all get those blades. Now, if it's too gummy and tacky, that's on you. You should have been washed them goddamn blades. I'm not going to say it like that, but yeah. You should have been gotten to it, okay? So, the next step is to put trash bags over, okay? We're going to put some trash bags over. Okay, y'all. Okay. Now, the fan is off. We're going to take these trash bags off one by one. If it come off one by one, okay. But y'all see that dirt? Look at that dirt that's on there. Look at that dirt that's on there, okay. Now we're gonna take the one that we want to see. We want to see it. We want to see it. Oh, guys, it is so clean. It's sparkling. Y'all see it? Now I see some on the blades. Let me bring it up some so y'all can see it. Y'all see that? Okay, that's the front. Okay. And this is the back. Y'all see that? Front and back. Okay. Yes. Now that's clean. Now it has a little residue on the blade, but it's shining. It's shining, y'all. So I advise you all to try this hack. Okay. You can let it sit longer, like I said. Okay, y'all. I know y'all. It's kind of loud, but I still have the fan blowing. But look, y'all. Look at this. Look at all that brown caked up. Everything that was on that fan is on the floor. Okay. So we're gonna cut this fan off, and we want to receive some results, y'all. What you think? Let's see. Okay. We're gonna come back to it. Okay. Like I was saying, you can let this sit longer. I see where I could have let it sit a little longer on that bottom right there. But everything else, y'all, is clean. It's clean. The cage is clean. Y'all see it? The cage is clean. And look how it's looking. Hey, brand spanking new. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Explicit Wellness. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Explicit Wellness. And y'all have a good day. Hey.